channel. So you know how we opened all of these in the last video. Oh, and don't forget to comment what is your favorite character from Stitch. Okay. So today we are gonna open these new AirPods of mine. Scissors. It's supposed to cut everything. Okay, cut at the bow. So that's good. That's good. That's good. Hey, never mind. I got it. Okay, ready to see this? Oh, they're so cute. They're like not cute, but they're freaking like they're freaking cute. I got turn off my earpods. I don't know what this paper is. Oh, charger. Okay, let's see how the inside. That is so cool. That is freaking cool. Like, that is freaking cool. Freaking cool. That is freaking cool. Like, that is freaking cool. Okay, guys, that's enough for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Bye.